open your analytics and observe the from which countries you are getting most views. If you are getting more views from particular country, then definitely you will get the more subscribers from that particular country. Do you want to find the best time to upload on YouTube? In this video, I am going to give you 3 strategies to find the best time to upload on YouTube. Strategy number 1. Upload the videos at different time intervals in a day for 1 week or 2 weeks. Observe the video performance by views and engagement for these videos. Note down the timings in the respect of engagement and views in the order. Now make it as time 1, time 2, time 3 and so on. Next day upload video at time 1 and next day upload video at time 2 and time 3 and so on. So just test this process for 1 week. And again come to back and observe this second week performance, and you can find the at which time your videos are performing very better. Just note down that time and repeat every day at that time you have to upload regularly. Strategy number 2. If you are running a channel for local audience, then get the at which time your audience will be more engaged and try to publish the at that particular time. Mostly the users spend more time on internet when they have free time. Obviously, the users may have free time either morning or evening. You have to find those timings and you have to upload at that particular time. Strategy number 3. If you just started your YouTube channel few days back, spend few days to upload videos on your channel and get the views from such suggested videos as your channel getting. After few days, after getting some counted views for your YouTube videos, just open your analytics and observe from which countries you are getting most views. If you are getting more views from particular country, then definitely you will get the more subscribers from that particular country. Now you have to find out at which time that particular audience will be more engaged, and you have to publish the videos at that particular time. Guys, I hope these 3 strategies will help you to scale up your YouTube channel to the next level. If you found this video helpful, like it and share it with your friends. Still not subscribed to the channel, consider to subscribe. I will meet in the next video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.